Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful trick, how to break up your Google Sheets into separate pages for printing. If you've ever tried to print a big spreadsheet and ended up with columns split in weird places or important info cut off across two sheets, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control where page breaks happen, so your printouts look organized, professional, and exactly as you want them. Alright, let's dive right in. First up, open your Google Sheet with the data you want to print. Make sure everything is ready because we're about to set it up for a clean, easy printout. Now go up to the File menu at the top left of your screen and click on Print. This might seem obvious, but in Google Sheets, Print doesn't immediately send your document to the printer. Instead, it opens the Print Setup window. This special menu gives you all the powerful control options we'll use today. Once you're looking at the print preview, take a quick look at how Google is setting up the default page breaks. Often, Sheets will attempt to guess where to break your pages. Sometimes that's okay, but it's rare that it lines up perfectly with your data, especially for wide tables or important headers. Now here comes the good part, setting custom page breaks. Look for the option on the sidebar that says Set Custom Page Breaks. Click it and Google Sheets will flip into an editor mode, showing you your spreadsheet overlaid with thick blue lines. These blue lines are your current page breaks, basically where Google thinks the paper should cut off when printing. This is exactly what we can change. Let's say you want your month headers or certain data blocks to always start on a fresh page. Just move your cursor over the blue line. A small hand icon or cursor will appear, signaling that you're ready to adjust it. Click and drag this line up, down, or across to the exact spot you want a new page to begin. You can drag the horizontal blue lines if you want to break your data across more rows per page, or grab the vertical blue lines to choose how many columns fit on each page. It's a lot like drawing a line where you want your paper to start and stop. Very intuitive once you try it. Don't worry if you don't get it exactly right on the first try. If you move a page break and change your mind, you can always tweak it again until you're happy. And if you accidentally add too many breaks or set one you don't want, it's just as easy to fix. Simply hover your cursor over the page break point and you'll see an option to delete it, or you can drag it all the way outside the visible page area to remove it. Google Sheets makes this pretty forgiving, so there's no risk of permanently messing things up. Take your time adjusting those breaks until everything looks tidy in the preview pane. Think of it like arranging puzzle pieces to fit perfectly before hitting print. Once you're satisfied, hit next and check your print preview to make sure everything is lined up exactly as you intended. That's it. You've just unlocked a whole new level of control over your Google Sheets printouts. Thanks for following along. If you found this tip helpful, please hit that like button. Got questions, get stuck on a step, or want advice on printing different types of spreadsheets? Drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more straightforward, helpful tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe for more. Happy printing, and I'll see you in the next one.